Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol INPX. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame thing does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've done this analysis several times in the past, but want to get things updated and kind of just really apply the KISS method here in terms of how do you gauge the overall strength of the move and the overall kind of price movement as a whole. I say strength of the move because, yeah, today the price made a good solid price movement from just yesterday. It was down here around 90 cents. It actually got up over $1. Yeah, there was that pullback. But this is where, like I said, I really want to just simplify things and kind of look at all this from a big picture perspective. And really the easiest way to do that is to get this overall uptrend line in play, which sits right here at approximately, this area. Now, you might want to draw the trend line a little bit differently, but the idea behind the trend line is to just continue to measure where the lows have been. What do I mean by that? Well, every time there's been a nice move, and the first move started by just stopping right there. So there was a nice move, the price pulled back, that's as low as it went. Nice move up, price came down. Once again, that's as low as it went. Nice move up, now the price is coming back. So as long as the price stays above this orange line, that by definition implies that the price is put in a higher low. And higher lows is the name of the game. As long as the price is building those higher lows as time unfolds, then that, again, by definition implies that the price is uptrending. And assuming you're bullish, assuming you're long, you're all about uptrends. So that's what that orange line is going to measure. And that's why, from a broad sense, where exactly you draw it, that's kind of besides the point. The key thing is watch those lows, as long as those lows keep getting higher and higher. So if you want to picture each of those as stair steps, so as long as these stair steps continue to progress in the upwards direction, that is what you want to see. So that trend line there is a very simplistic but a highly effective way to gauge the health of the current big picture type price movement. What about levels of resistance? As far as where the sellers are hanging out at, in the spirit of trying to kind of split the difference here, I'm going to go ahead and call it right here at about $1.08. Yeah, I realize the price did get up above $1.08 back here, but there were also several times, where the price didn't quite hit it. So $1.08 is kind of that middle ground there, but that'll be overall level of resistance going forward. So nice movement today. Yeah, that pullback, not the greatest, but as you can see, the bulls are still building that higher, trend line. And as long as the price keeps on putting in higher lows, the rest of the chart will take care of itself. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.